What is up, guys? Brittany here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the 1959 Denver penny. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, so you may know this, but in 1959, that was actually the first year that they started producing memorial cents at the mint. So from 1909 to 1958, those are actually wheat cents. And then 1959 was the switchover. So for the 1959 penny, there were 609 million coins minted at the Philadelphia Mint. And then there were 1.2 billion at the Denver Mint. And so these were the only two mints that produced this coin. But obviously you can tell that is a lot of pennies. And so I want to tell you guys that even though a lot of these were produced, these can still be worth a lot of money if they are kept in pristine condition, mint state condition. And so now I want to share with you guys a few sales that have happened over time for the 1959 penny. Check it out. Also, there was a Mint State 68 recently from PCGS that sold for over $9,000. And as you can see, this one is a Mint State 68. However, it is not from PCGS or NGC. It is from NNC, which is National Numismatic Certification. And so that's not a very known coin grading company. And so it would probably not sell for as much. So I highly recommend you go through PCGS, NGC, Annex, and if you have to, ICG. Those are the top 4 to get your coins graded, and you can get some really good money. Any other grading site can't always be trusted because sometimes, because they haven't been around as long as, the big guys, they may accidentally grade a fake coin or misgrade or overgrade. So you never know, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting. Share this with someone. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.